Hubi Brave Electronic Technology Company Limited was established in 2020, located in Xibi, Hubei Province, China, covering an area of 800 square meters and employing 30 people. We are a global manufacturer providing on-the-spot personalized solutions for automotive wiring harnesses. We are engaged in the R&D, production, processing, and sales of various electronic and electrical equipment wire connection applications such as automotive wiring harnesses, new energy vehicle high and low voltage wiring harnesses, 5G communication wires, agricultural machinery and equipment wiring harnesses, medical equipment wiring harnesses, and home appliance wiring harnesses, automotive connectors, aviation plugs, and electronic components. We also provide OEM and ODM services and product design according to our customers' needs. We have rich experience in wiring harness industry. Our production department staff has more than 8 years of experience in wiring harness production. Strict quality inspection process to ensure the production efficiency and quality stability of our products. We have strong R&D capabilities and technical advantages to produce high-quality and high-performance wiring harness products to ensure the production efficiency and quality stability of our products, and to provide timely technical support and after-sales service. We adhere to the principle of mutual benefit and enjoy a good reputation among our customers for our professional services and competitive prices. Our company warmly welcomes global customers to carry out cooperation and create the future together.